Natural Overnight Blackhead Hacks. 5 Home Blackhead Hacks. Blackheads are small, dark bumps on the skin that are most commonly seen on the nose. Although it isn't always black, it's generally unsightly and keeps your face from looking clean and clear. In-clinic treatments have become very popular, but they also cost a lot of money. Thankfully, there are natural, overnight blackhead hacks that can be done at the comfort of your own home. These 5 home blackhead hacks should help you clear your skin right away. Remember that any one of these 5 remedies could be the magic cure you have been looking for, so don't skip any. Watch the entire video. 1. Cinnamon honey. Cinnamon has been proven to be a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in the body and fights bacteria. On the other hand, honey has been proven to have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also helps improve the skin and speed up wounds healing. To use cinnamon and honey for blackheads, take a tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon to make a thick paste. Apply it to the parts of your skin with blackheads. Take a minute to rub it onto your skin for some exfoliating effects and to help with absorption. Leave it on overnight and wash it off when you wake up. If you don't want to do this overnight because you might make a mess of your pillowcases, you could do this during the day and leave it on for at least 2 hours. Do this every day for 1 week and then only repeat once a week as a preventative solution. 2. Salty lemon. Apart from being rich in antioxidants, lemons are filled with citric acid, which helps rid the skin of dark spots and blemishes. Salt, on the other hand, has been used for centuries as a natural antiseptic. Furthermore, its finely granulated form is good for exfoliation. To use salty lemon for blackheads, take a tablespoon of salt and squeeze enough lemon juice on it to make a thick paste. Apply it to the parts of your skin with blackheads. Rub it over the blackheads for no more than 2 minutes. Rinse it off completely with cold water. Lastly, apply vitamin C oil to help heal the skin. Alternatively, apply raw honey. Leave on overnight and wash off in the morning. Do this no more than twice a week. 3. Lemon and egg whites. Egg whites have become a popular ingredient in face masks because it has properties that help tighten pores and firm up the skin. Using it with lemon gives this mask the added benefit of getting rid of bacteria, as well as dark spots and blemishes. To use lemony egg whites for blackheads, take the whites of 1 egg. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whip up the mixture until frothy. Using a mask brush, a foundation brush, or blush brush will also work. Apply a layer of the mixture onto your entire face. To help keep the mixture from dripping before it gets absorbed, apply pieces of tissue to your wet face. Apply more of the mixture on top of the tissue to let it soak. Let the entire mask harden before you peel it off. Wash your face with cold water and your regular facial soap. Apply some aloe vera and leave on overnight. Alternatively, you may use some vitamin E oil. Do this once a week until your skin clears, then do once a month as a preventative measure. 4. Fenugreek. Fenugreek has proven nutraceutical benefits because it is rich in antioxidants. In alternative medicine, it is commonly used as an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. To use fenugreek for blackheads, mix 2 tablespoons powdered fenugreek with 2 teaspoons water to make a paste. Apply it on your face, making sure to fully cover the areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 15 minutes or until it dries up. Completely wash it off using cold water. Apply some honey and leave on overnight, or use some aloe vera instead. Do this twice a week until your skin clears. Then you may do this twice a month or as needed. 5. Green tea and baking soda. Baking soda is a known antibacterial, and its finely powdered form makes for a gentle yet effective exfoliant. Green tea, on the other hand, has incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. To use green tea and baking soda for blackheads: steep a bag of green tea in half a cup of hot water to make a strong brew. Take a tablespoon of the green tea, store the rest in the refrigerator for future use, and mix with 2 tablespoons of baking soda to make a paste. Apply the mixture onto your face and gently rub in, giving special attention to the areas with blackheads. Exfoliate using small circular motions no longer than 2 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Apply raw honey on your face to leave on overnight. If you don't like the sticky feeling, try vitamin E oil instead. Do this no more than twice a week. These 5 home blackhead hacks are incredibly easy to do and are known to produce results quickly. Try these natural overnight blackhead hacks and see your skin become clearer almost immediately. What's even better is that if you do any of these regularly, you'll enjoy permanently clear and blackhead-free skin. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.